Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a little while since I've made one of these videos, but this is a simple, cute DIY that I used using some mason jars from Dollarama. Let's get to it. So I picked up these 3 mason jars. They're a good size. 3 of them come in a pack for $3 at Dollarama. I also picked up this green paint from Walmart. It's FolkArt brand in a matte. Mossy Meadow is the name of the color. Some paintbrushes from Dollarama as well. And basically all I did was use that paint to paint the outside of the jars, let it dry, and then applied a second coat. A lot of you will say you're not a DIYer, but honestly, this is so simple. Anybody can do it. There's not much to it. If you're intimidated about starting DIYs, this is something that you can definitely do. It's not intimidating at all. And it's easy, it's fast, you won't get frustrated. I recommend doing it and you'll get the itch and you'll start doing all kinds of DIYs. So basically I just painted it like this. I did all 3 jars. I didn't videotape myself painting all 3 just because I didn't want to bore you. It's pretty straightforward. So this is the only one I actually painted upside down like this. It was actually a little awkward to get that portion of it. So with the other ones, because I didn't care if the bottom of the actual jar was white or clear, left unpainted, I just painted it standing up like the right way, and didn't bother painting the bottom because I knew no one would see it. This is the only one that I actually painted out this way. So I did about 2 coats of paint on these jars, and then what I did once they were dry, I grabbed some raffia that I had purchased previously at Michael's. I used about 3 pieces of raffia, wrapped them around about 3 times, and then just tied them off in a knot and leave some of the ends sticking out. And I did this to all 3 of them, and then snipped to the length I wanted. Last but not least, I added some pretty fall stems that I picked up at my local Dollartree. I scored some pretty cute ones because I went right at the beginning of the season. This one here is called Bouquet, nothing really specific. This one here with the little pumpkin and the maple leaves, I believe is called Pumpkin Maple. And then I used another one that just says Bouquet. So 2 of the bouquets and 1 of the pumpkin maples. I snipped a couple of the leaves from the maple stems and added them to the regular bouquets just to fill out some of the space. It looked a little bare, so I wanted it to look a little fuller. So these stems have been sitting in a bag for a little while, so they were a little bit distorted and wrinkled, and as much as I tried to fix them, they wouldn't straighten up. So I pulled out my handy little hand travel steamer and I just removed all the little wrinkles. It worked perfectly. I thought this one looked a little bare, so I just added an extra pine cone to it that I had in one of my craft bags upstairs, and it filled out that little empty space, and it was perfect. I tried to use an acorn, I didn't think it worked, so I left that out. Last but not least, I added these wood rounds that I had cut from our birch tree in the back, and it was just a perfect little addition to these mason jar vases. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. It was a super simple DIY that anyone can do. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe for more.